Shariah is a set of laws derived from, or it's a law derived from the Quran and Sunnah, and generally the Islamic teachings. And it is a way of life. It has a penal code, and it has a set system of, it's like a whole constitution of how you should lead your life in order to please the Almighty, and at the same time guaranteeing you ultimate success in this world and the next. The Sharia it governs the entire financial sector in a way that is so unique that the failings of today's economic laws have forced man to look into alternatives, and they have definitely found that the Islamic teachings, and that's why they call it Islamic banking, so to speak, and Islamic finance and so on, is definitely not just a force to be reckoned with, but it's a working mechanism.